Now that the gases are connected to the blender, we're going to show you how to set the outlet pressure of the regulator. If you are unsure of the pressure your system requires, download and use our EASYBLEND app. If you have secondary regulators, you will need to set the outlet pressure at or above the highest secondary pressure. First, be sure to have both ball valves in the off position. Then, pull out the adjustment knob. You should hear one click. Then, turn the knob until the desired pressure is reached. Turn the knob clockwise to increase. Turn the knob counterclockwise to decrease. Once the desired pressure is reached, push the knob in to lock the pressure setting. Now, the outlet pressure is set for the regulator.